It's a whole new way. Sorry, nigga, you too late. And your career was just a phase.
What is good, YouTube? And I'm back with another video. You dig, and in today's video, I got a room tour for you guys. So, in this room tour, you feel me? I don't expect to get too much views. This video is not really for entertainment. It's not really for laughs, you feel me? I just wanted to have a video to look back on when I'm onto bigger and better things, you feel me? So, yeah, that's basically what this video is for. And also, some of you guys have been asking for, like, what camera do I use? What editor do I use? I'm gonna show you guys all of that. And just show you how I set up, how I film my videos. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get straight into it. So first off, let me start off with where I film. I usually film either, oh yeah, by the way, I'm filming on my phone right now. I'm not using my camera because, you know, it's easier to film on my phone. So usually I have this chair right here. It's squeaky, but you know. It's squeaky, but you know, I still use it. I just use what I got, you feel me? Some people think you need this and that and this and that, and you have to spend so much money to do YouTube, but really you don't. So first off, yeah, this is where I usually film. Right here, like how I did in the last video. Right here, just up in this corner, like how I did in the lyric prank, I think. Or most of the time, for most of my videos, pretty much all my videos, I film right here, right by the window, and I just open the blinds and let that natural lighting hit my face, you feel me? So yeah, that's how we get in good lighting sometimes, but sometimes I get bad lighting. I don't know. I live in a place where it rains a lot, so when it's summertime, I try to film with the natural lighting. I'm really bad at this. And then I mentioned in one video, I got a ring light now, so this is what I use too. I don't know why I didn't turn it on. But yeah, this is a ring light. It ain't bad. I think I got it for like $60, $70. And it's pretty good. And it had good reviews and everything, so. I'm pretty sure you guys don't care, but this is my gaming setup, you feel me? I'm on the camera. But this is my gaming setup, Xbox One S. Where are my controllers? Right here. I got all my controllers, Nintendo Switch. But this is like for family, it's not just for me. Xbox is pretty much mine. I got a fan I sleep with. Now for the camera I use a Canon Vixia. Vixia HF R70. Wait, hold on. This is a camera I use. Half the time I just use the camera, and then half the time I just use my phone. I really, if you have especially if you have an iPhone already, if you have an iPhone, you really don't need a camera for now if you're just starting YouTube. But the reason why I have the camera is because at the time, I didn't have an iPhone, I had a Droid. So I had to get a camera, and I don't know why I got the camera, I just didn't get an iPhone. But you know, now I got an iPhone, so I just use both because I don't want the camera to go to waste. No cap though, it ain't a bad camera, huh? It ain't a bad camera. You look at it, like, it can zoom in and all that. I'm trying to get the good angles. It can zoom in. It ain't bad. The quality ain't bad either. But yeah, it's a decent camera. I don't have like a tripod that I put the camera on. So what I usually do is I get a whole bunch of books, like my yearbooks, my iPhone case. It's all over here. I get a whole bunch of books, like my yearbooks, my case, all this stuff to film, like to put the camera on to film. I guess that's it. I'll show you guys what I edit with and how I make my thumbnails. And yeah. So the editor I use right now is called Filmora. It's free, but you just have a watermark. But it's like $60 to have no watermark, and you know me, obviously I paid the $60. But you get to try it out for free, so that's how I kind of learned how to edit like so fast, because for a long time I just used the free version and I was practicing. But yeah, it's pretty good. Also, it's for beginners, so if you're just learning, I recommend this. This is Pixlr, the photo editor. It's basically like Photoshop. The website basically tells you how to use it or what to do. They have a playful mode for like beginners, and then they have more of an advanced mode. But even the advanced mode is not too hard to use, so I'm pretty sure you guys could get used to it. This is the thumbnail I've been working on. I made it before I filmed the video, which is something I don't normally do. But yeah. Anyways, this might be the end, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless.
Took me a minute to write this, I couldn't go to sleep for like 3 nights. Hey, pull up to the party in CDG. Before we eat, it was EBT. Now I got the guap and she feeling me.